Okay everybody, this is how to fit the kallax door insert unit. It's very simple to do, it just looks a bit complicated. You get in the box, you get a load of parts, you get a door, the cutouts, 2 hinges, 2 door plates, both marked. There's 6 sharp screws, door handle, 4 grub screws and a little plastic insert. Right, the pain in the arse, to coin a phrase, is the insert itself, because when it comes it's a flobbly wobbly thing. Okay. Just a big thing. You can't really see that, to be honest. I'm trying to put my camera somewhere else. Let's see. Let's put there, see if that works. Okay, no. Probably not. Here's the big floppy thing that's got all sorts of fancy creases in it. Right, so what you need to do, there's a small insert, fold it over. Just fold the box. Now there's all sorts of joints here. The big side, which has 2 screw marks in it. That is the side your hinge is going to go. So you fold that over. Right. Let me turn it again, so you see it's working. I'm going to put it in there. I'll show you how it goes. Let me check this one. Right. You get all worried about which way it goes, don't. Big side for the hinge, 2 screw holes. Single side for the dorsal. Manipulate it like that. Forget this stupid one at the back, because that tends to do that, but it's not. That's a bit of tension. Put it in where you want to go. Right, now. Slide it in. Okay, here's the key part now. You get a little white plastic insert. You get that. See it? You get that. You take it to your shelf. You push the insert, you put that on the edge of the shelf, not the side. Okay. On the edge, you push that in. Bring the edge up to it, like that. Make a pencil mark. Do exactly the same on the other side. Good thing. You'll see why you have this pencil mark in there. Okay, so we can leave that now. All we've got to do now is put the hinges on. Okie doke. And they're easy. Easy enough to do. I'm doing mine on the table, that's how easy it is. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see this because I'm doing it. There's your hinge. The hinge. Just pop in that hole. Okay. So you do the hinge, pop it in that hole. The alignment with screws are pretty well made. And the thing is, you got all these different screws. It's the 4 grub screws. That's these ones. You got a flathead on them. Okay. Stick them in. I'm doing this one-handed, by the way, it's a bit of a pain. You don't have to go mad with them. Screwdriver, yes please. It'll find its own way. Okay. So that's it. You can use an electronic screwdriver, all that nonsense, but you don't have to really. Just put this here so it's bloody fall over when I'm doing it. Can't you tell I'm on now? My wife's watching bloody Strictly Come Down some shite on telly. You might be able to see that. Let's hope it doesn't fall over. Here you go, 4 screws. I'll do it as quick as I can so I don't waste the time. Give it a tweak. Don't overcrank them. Same on this side. And the grub screw. On the hole, drop it in. So just that, it is very easy. It's like everything you get from Ikea. You get the bloody instructions, think, oh my god. Once you wear it logically, it's just the odd occasion one, it's a bit, it's confusing the way they do these little line drawings. Whoever done it thinks it makes perfect sense, but it doesn't. Okay, that's on there. Now these for now we leave. Okay, your door's ready. Now what we have to do is put these brackets. Have got A and B. See it? A and B. The screws go in the A. Use the sharp screws like that. A. Now here's the key to this. When you put your line on, pull the edge up to the line. That's where it's got to be. Okay. Remember, try not to do that, especially when you're working one-handed and left-handed. You don't have to mess around, you just gently put in a hole for now. Slide this so it's lined up with that pencil line. Alright. That one out. Okay. It will go into the wood. It has to go into the wood. Okay, you got that one the same. So we'll do that for all four. Hang on a second. I did forget to say, when you're putting these brackets on, there's a little arrow on the front that points towards the front of the unit, that way. So once that's in, it's in. Remember, in the A slot, and then screw them in. It's a bit awkward for me at the moment because I'm working left-handed, which I'm not. I'm right-hander. That's always these little pains in the bum. I'll do it on a flat way, but I've got the units in. Properly out to the front. In the slot mark there. You screwdriver in it. Get it into the little cut out. Now it's going in. That's how easy it is. The unit's wobbly because I haven't fastened it to the wall yet. I'm going to mess it around and move it around. Same this. Second screw, boom, into the A slot. Now these ones I'm putting on this side, these are just the height of the door. So they slide up and down. Okay, so we'll do it about centre for now. You will arse around it, you can mess around this way. Get it in, centre, all the way. Make sure your screws all the way in, by the way. Don't mess around here, bloody. This has to go into the cabinet. Unlike these videos where people shoot all these fancy tools and this and that, this is doing it for real. Bloody things like this in the house. Pain in the ass. Do that one the same, so we'll do the centre. Ish. It's about ish. Ish is the technical term. You've probably got to see this. When they're done, oops, when they're done, that's what you've got. Okay, you see it's lined up with a pencil mark here, and they're screwed in, so that's got that secure now. Right. On the other side, we have to fit the hinge. Now, what's happened there? See, this is what does happen if you're not careful. Because it moves, it'll fold over. Make sure it's folded in. Now, pull it up. There you go, now. Make sure that is folded in properly. You can sit on there, shallow, and pull it up to meet the pencil mark. Right. That's where your hinge go. Now this is where it gets a bit pain in the bum as well. Okay. Hang on. Okay, so I'm going to show you here on the other side. You see them two little holes? Looks like 4 days, that's only because it's on folders. Pull that in. Yeah, right. Get up to the pencil mark, which is there. Okay, I'll put that screw in. I'll show you in a sec. Okay, that's it. The screws are on there now. See them? On the other side, you've got the hinge plates there. Sorry about the light. It's you see the way it's set back on the pencil lines? That's it. Now we hang the door, which is always off on itself. And if you look at the door, on the hinges, you've got these slots. One there. Them ones there, they hook over these ones here. These ones here. And that's what fastens it in. Okay, so I'm just going to set the door on. You might hear me swearing a bit, but don't worry. It's quite normal for me. Bam, bam. So I'll drop the wheel thing. There you go. Which I will say, before you carry on, put the handle on. You have one long screw, you have the handle. The screw goes through the back of the door, handle goes on there, handle goes on the screw, like that. Don't crank it up, give it a twist. So that's what your handle's on there. Now, pull your hinges out with the handle facing out. These go. There's a cut out slot in there, put them over the screw, over the screw, okay, push it in, sometimes I come off, sometimes the screw's a bit tight, you have to mess around, just gently undo it, that's it, and that now, so now we've got the door on, and this is where the messing around comes in, you have to adjust the height. And this is common sense, how you want it to be. If your height's okay there, you're happy with the height. The screws that you originally fastened it with, fasten them up. Okay. This back's too far in, so I need this to come out. Pull it out of it. Yeah, it's a bloody pain, I always have to show you better. Right.